the channel. In this video I will show you how to reset your Wi-Fi router. So this will be a step-by-step guide, and let's start with the first method, soft reset. So soft reset, you will not be able to touch on anything or any button on your Wi-Fi router. So for this case you can use a remote. So go ahead and unplug the router from the power, then wait for 30 seconds, plug into the cord back in. Okay, then after doing that, allow the router to boot up completely, then test the internet connection, and then click factory reset. Okay, so step number 2, go ahead and ensure the router is powered on. Locate the reset button, then as illustrated, insert a paper clip or a pin into the small hole. Okay, then go ahead and click or tap on the reset button, and then that is it, guys. As you can see over here, it's illustrated in this small picture over there. So guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet in the next video once again.